at the tapestry above the bed you gave me.
Hello everyone! We started our journey really early today because we want to maximize our adventure here in Bukidnon. Our plan? To visit not just one, but two stunning spots in a single day, Panimahawa Ridge and Roty Peaks.
Both face on demons. Can we change like the seasons?
Early mornings are the best time to start exploring, especially here in the Highlands where the air is cool and the views are extra magical.
I wanna wear her sweater and I break down in my room, 'cause there's nothing sweeter than the bitter taste of you. Than the bitter taste of you.
Guys, just look at this! Panimahawa Ridge is everything I imagined and more. The rolling hills, the endless mountain ranges, and if you're lucky, you'll be greeted by this breathtaking sea of clouds. It really feels like you're standing above the world. This spot is perfect for sunrise watching, camping, or just relaxing with friends and family. Definitely a must visit here in Bukidnon.
Walked through my dreams just the other night. Oh, but the moment slipped away, and I don't know how to conjure up the afterlife.
After spending some time here, it was time to move on to our next destination. Once again, we hopped on the habal-habal and continued our adventure towards Roty Peaks.
Every little thing it's true makes me wanna laugh about it. Hurts too much to cry without it. I'll go on losing you, strangely familiar.
Our second stop is Roty Peaks. Compared to Panimahawa, this place feels quieter and more peaceful. It's not as crowded, which makes it a perfect spot for those who love serene landscapes.
fought for things.
Here at Roti Peaks, you'll see another angle of Bukidnon's vast mountain ranges. The view is just as stunning, but the atmosphere is calmer. It's the kind of place where you can sit, reflect, and just breathe in the beauty of nature.
You've been dreaming all day, trying to fix what's hopeless. You're denying the pain, the past is gone and broken. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall. Maybe we're okay to not be brave. The truth lives on anyway.
Waking up early was definitely worth it. If you're planning a trip here, make sure to add these two destinations to your list. You'll fall in love with Bukidnon just like I did.
It's hard to let go of a wasted time. Quit fighting to find all the answers you need to know. Start trying. Taught to feel so righteous and high, but they can be all wrong. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall. Maybe we're okay to not be brave. The truth lives on anyway, beyond the grave. You got
Thank you so much for joining me in this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel vlogs. See you on my next adventure. Bye!